Hello to everyone and a very good afternoon to those in the US and good evening to those in Europe. So just to quickly recap the main trading themes today and the things that were really driving the market. So firstly, we did see the European cash bourses finish down in negative territory today, although we did see some marked outperformance in the periphery. The Spanish IBEX 35 and the Italian FTSE MIB did finish a lot stronger than their other European peers, and that's just after sentiment was boosted following the comments leaked by an EU lawmaker in a parliamentary meeting who said that Draghi noted that buying of shorter dated paper, i.e. 2 and 3 year bonds, did not contravene the EU treaty and did not constitute state aid. So with that, we did get a bit of a boost yesterday, and these comments actually were then rerun in this morning's US session. And that was just as we did have the US Labor Day holiday yesterday, so US market participants out of the picture. But on those rerun today, we did see another market reaction, so a move to the upside following those comments. But this was really overshadowed by the weaker ISM manufacturing PMI that came out, and that showed a reading below 50, which was the expected today. Came in at 49.6, and that's the third contractionary reading in a row, so just adding to a bit of pessimism. Despite this, Tino's actually also finished lower today, so finished lower by around 10 ticks, and that's with a pretty hefty corporate slate, so a lot of dollar-denominated issuance just weighing on Tino prices. Now looking ahead to tomorrow, a lot of the concentration will still be ahead of the ECB press conference on Thursday, so any sort of source comments or any comments out of officials leaning towards any further details on that will be keenly in focus. But in the European session we do have the services PMI readings, and then we've got aftermarket, the API numbers, which are usually on a Tuesday evening, but due to that holiday we saw yesterday, these are a day later. And then we've also got several speakers. We've got the German Chancellor speaking and also the German Finance Minister due on the wires twice tomorrow. Germany also coming to market with a new 10-year bond. So that's their bond, their September 22 bond. It'll be interesting to see demand for that. But for the time being, that's enough from me. Have yourself a very pleasant evening, and we'll rejoin you tomorrow morning for a bit of wrap-up in terms of overnight news. Thank you.